Hi and welcome back to the channel. Finally I made a decision in buying a brand new bike after the accident. As you probably see before, my Triumph Bonneville was a total write-off. It was a tough decision to make. Took me sort of 4 or 5 months to decide which bike to go for. And you know, I was a Triumph guy, I should say. So my first one was a Triumph Speed Twin. And now I decided to choose something else. I was initially going to go for the Triumph Scrambler X, but something I saw on YouTube that changed my mind. A massive thank you to Pier City Customs, Rory and Stu, for their amazing way they put together videos, and that's what made me decide to go for this bike. So I just want to say a big thank you to Group 1 of Brighton, of BMW Motorrad, Martin, Will, and the whipping boy, that's his words, not mine, Connor. So without further ado, here's my new bike. This is. And there we have it. The new, to me that is, BMW R12 nineT. So the R12 nineT is an air oil cooled 2-cylinder 4-stroke boxer engine with a capacity of 1170cc. The max power is 109 horsepower at 7,000 RPM. The max torque is 115 at 6,500 RPM. The top speed would be 135 miles per hour. So roughly it's about 55 miles per gallon. And let's have a quick look here. The front suspension is a fully adjustable 45mm upside down Marsocchi forks. The rear suspension is a single swing arm BMW power lever, which is directly mounted shock absorber. The brakes is dual discs at 310mm front brakes with 4-piston monoblock calipers, Brembo I should say, and with a single rear of 265mm. It has ABS as standard, and the seat height is approximately 795mm. Fuel capacity 4.2 gallons, which is 16 litres. That should get you roughly about 55 miles per gallon. And the curb weight is about 485 pounds. So the display is a TFT, a 3.5 inch, which I personally prefer the analog, the two round clocks on there. But I'll have to get used to this one. It has LED lighting with optional adaptive headlight. And that's it really. So basically I'm going to jump on the bike and give it a good ride. Right, so now let's have a little look at this bike, see what it can do. I'm not going to push it to its limits. I'm just going to go for a nice comfortable ride down these back lanes and see where it takes me. So yeah, I'm just getting used to the bike. It's just a lovely feel to it already. I knew as soon as I saw it in the shop that I just fell in love with it straight away. I sat on it, and when I took it out for a ride, it was just, I knew it was for me. Like I mentioned before, I normally go for Triumphs, but this one just took me, really did. Absolutely amazing. And I'm happy I bought it. I'm happy with the choice. You know, it's not a weekend bike. I ride it every day to work. I will be riding it every day to work, I guess. And you know, I'm glad I made the switch, really. It's such a beautiful engine. What would I like to change on it? Not much, really. I like the sound of it. I could swap the exhaust over. I could change the mirrors to bar end mirrors like I did on the Triumph. What I need to buy is a rack, just in case I go off somewhere for a day or two. But apart from that, you know, there's not really much to do with it, really. I mean, there's plenty of add-ons. If you look at Pier City Customs, you'll see that there's plenty of add-ons. It's already got an engine protection around it.
I might buy a bash plate that goes underneath the sump, just to protect it a little bit. But I won't be going off-road with it, so probably no need really. But if I want to make add-ons, I will, you know. One thing I'm interested in doing is changing the air filter to make it a little bit more sort of nice, you know, got a nice sort of modern feel to it. I don't know what you'd call this bike really. What would you call it? A modern retro, or you know, a calf racer retro? I don't know. You tell me. But yeah, no, it's just I've fallen in love with it already. It's beautiful. It's a lovely, just turns so nice. The brakes are fantastic. It's got a quick shifter on it, I believe. I've never had a bike with that on it before, and there's no clunkiness to it. Absolutely sublime. It really is. And I've never hardly used that word in my life. Sublime. But anyway, what's not to like? Would I have to change the preloaded front shocks or the rear shock? No. Thank you again to Pier City Customs, and of course BMW Motorrad at Brighton. Absolutely fantastic service. Can't thank them enough. And yeah, they really looked after me from beginning to end. But they made it easy, the transition, buying a bike and just all the paperwork, so easy. Thanks to Martin, Will and Connor. Anyway, so 1200 engine, got some lovely bit of poke in it. I'm going around the lanes right now, open it up. The suspension is beautiful. I mean, like I say, I don't have to touch it at all. I could do if I wanted to, make it a bit harder for the roads. Michelin tyres, spoked wheels, beautiful, so smooth. It really is. I can't get over how smooth the change is. Some of you might disagree with me. If you do, please leave a comment. I'm open to comments, constructive comments, that is. But yeah, no, I absolutely love it. I can't say enough about this bike. It really is. It's going to serve me well. So thank you once again for subscribing to me and making this channel, you know, really sort of build up on it. My aim by the end of this year, I've got a long time to go yet, is to reach over 1,000. Now, as you know, I've been doing this, and anyone who's been following me, I've been doing this for a couple of years now, and it's taken me such a long time to get where I am on subscribers on YouTube. Now, I'm not looking to earn money out of it, definitely not. I would not earn money out of this, but it is a hobby, and the more subscribers I get, the more it encourages me to just keep doing the things I love doing. So I'm really looking forward. This handles so well. Oh, I just can't get over it. Seriously. Oh. Sorry for my excitement, but yeah, no, it's really nice. Like I say, thanks for subscribing. Give me a like and a comment if you like anything you've seen in this short production.